Estonia with 7 back inside their own penalty area, and they don't push out too far either. Wright Phillips to Richards, and still Wright Phillips once more, and it's the opener for England inside 10. Goal in his 16th cap, and England really are enjoying themselves again here. Estonia invited the trouble on themselves, and Richards didn't need the second invitation to drive on at the Estonia box. Low centre of gravity certainly helped, not Mark Poom's finest moment in goal either, and through his legs, as yet again the Estonian keeper cannot keep a clean sheet. Not that it was becoming in any way nervous, but that's just what England were looking for here. We can't say they've missed a hatful of chances so far. Rooney, that'll help. It's 2, a big deflection on the way, but try taking it away from Rooney. England lead by 2, and it only reflects how dominant they've been for 30 minutes here at Wembley. And Rooney's long wait for a competitive goal ends at last. Joe Cole made the inroads down the left, and with the help of that hefty deflection off Piroja, that's a kind of a payback to the defender from Rooney too after their spat earlier. Wayne Rooney gets himself on the score sheet in a competitive match for England. Ashley Cole, never scored yet for his country. Oh, I'm not sure he's going to claim that one, but it is 3 for England, and Estonia are beginning to fall apart here. Stepanov looks askance. Anybody else to claim it? Doesn't look like it. And Poom beaten again. It's pretty innocuous, to tell the truth. Ashley Cole getting forward and just knocking it into a dangerous area. And let's see if it wasn't Stepanov, in fact it was Rahn. So one defender's blush is spared, but not the Estonians collectively. Certain own goal, and we'll give it to Rahn.